Hi, welcome to Megan at Vertigro's top tips of the day. So today our top tip is cleaning the dishwasher filter. I'm in a new property, so I'm not going to get any nasty surprises when I open this dishwasher, but I just want to show you what we find often, and that's that people overlook cleaning out the dishwasher filter. So let's have a look in here. This is a Bosch, but they are very similar. So we just pull out the bottom tray, and you'll find something like this that you just pull off, and you can clean this out, you can clean this piece out, and then this is the bottom piece that you'll find a build-up of gunk in it. I really recommend that you do it every week because you'll be surprised at how much all that stuff off the plates then gets into your filter. The other thing to do every now and then is to take out your arm and to clean these. Sometimes you'll get pips, you know, from a lemon or something like that that gets stuck in there, and just flush it out with water and then clip it back in. So those are top tips today for handling your dishwasher. Maybe go and do yours now and see what you find. Thanks.